In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Notion. If you want to make your Notion pages cleaner, easier to read, and more professional, adding hyperlinks is a simple skill that makes a big difference. Instead of pasting long web addresses directly into your notes or documents, you can attach a link to a specific word or phrase. That way, your page stays organized while still giving readers quick access to the information you want to share. To get started, go to your Notion page, open the page where you want to add the hyperlink, and make sure the text you want to edit is already written out. This could be a title, a short phrase, or any word you want people to click on. It's usually best to choose text that clearly tells the reader where the link will take them. Next, click and highlight the text you want to hyperlink. Just drag your cursor across the word or phrase until it's selected. This step is important because Notion needs to know exactly which text should become clickable. Try to highlight only the part you want linked, especially if you're working inside a paragraph with a lot of surrounding text. After that, type in or paste the URL into the field. Once the text is selected, Notion will give you the option to add a link. In the link field, either type the web address manually or paste it in if you already copied it from somewhere else. Be careful to use the correct link, since even a small mistake in the address can send someone to the wrong page or cause the link not to work at all. Then click on it when it comes up in the filtered suggestions. As you enter the URL, Notion may show matching suggestions or a filtered result. When you see the correct option appear, click it to apply the hyperlink to your selected text. Once that's done, the text should now act as a clickable link. A useful tip here is to test the hyperlink after creating it, just to confirm it opens the right destination. This is especially helpful if you're building documents for teammates, clients, or shared projects where accuracy matters. And that's it. You've successfully added a hyperlink in Notion. It's a quick process, but it can make your workspace much more polished and user-friendly. Once you get comfortable with it, you'll be able to add links naturally as you build pages, notes, and documents in Notion.